When we talk about building large, powerful, and scalable backend systems in Java, one name comes up again and again: Spring Boot. But what exactly is Spring Boot, and why do developers love it so much? Spring Boot is a modern framework built on top of the Spring ecosystem. Its main goal? To make backend development faster, easier, and cleaner without the confusing setup that usually comes with Java projects. Traditionally, building Java applications meant endless configuration files, XML setups, and a lot of manual work. Spring Boot simplifies all of that with its convention over configuration approach. This means most things are already set up for you. You just start coding. Spring Boot is especially popular for creating microservices, small independent applications that work together. Companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Uber use microservices to keep their systems fast and scalable, and Spring Boot makes building them incredibly efficient. One of the best features of Spring Boot is how easy it is to create REST APIs. With just a few lines of code, developers can build endpoints, connect to databases, handle requests, and send back responses. Perfect for modern web and mobile apps. Spring Boot works smoothly with databases too. Using tools like Spring Data JPA and Hibernate, it simplifies reading, writing, and managing data. Security is another big win. With Spring Security, developers can add authentication, role-based access, encryption, protection against common web attacks, all with minimal code. When it's time to launch your app, Spring Boot makes deployment simple. It runs as a standalone application, works great with Docker, and integrates easily with cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. In a world where backend systems need to be fast, flexible, and reliable, Spring Boot gives developers the perfect toolkit. It reduces complexity, boosts productivity, and helps teams build powerful applications in less time.